Good morning. Today's maintenance request asks to have a wheel replaced on a gate. Looks like it fell off, so we're gonna go take a look at that now. Yep, this is the wheel goes on that gate. Looks like it's just broken apart. This part's okay. I don't have a new wheel and assembly for this, so I'm just going to repair it while I order one off of Amazon. What I'm going to be using today is this lawnmower wheel that I did have and this little band clamp right here, just to make a temporary repair to this gate. This gate needs to be replaced anyways. It's all banged up, but for now we're just going to get it so that it doesn't drag through the dirt anymore when folks try to close it. All right. Looks like that'll work all right. Man, I wish they were all that simple. Please subscribe, and that way I can get rich and move to Belize. Have a happy day. Bye-bye.